What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drill a hole right underneath this brake. Is that a brake? Yeah, a hood latch spring right there. I'm gonna drill it in. Make it to about 4 gauge right there. That hole right there in between this wire right here and then the black plastic piece right here. I'm not sure what that is, but anyway. So now I'm gonna run the power wire. I think. What do you think? Okay, I'm gonna push that through. Okay, now I'm gonna push the blue wire right here through that hole, and then one of my other guys gonna grab that wire. You got it, Ron? Ron, you got it? Hello? You got it? Ron? Yeah. You got it? Okay, push it some more. Use that grabber. I got it. Okay, he got it. So now, instead of hook it up from the front, I hook it up from the steering wheel. So I'm gonna have to pull this wire some more. Hey, I need that wire over here. I'm gonna pull that wire up here, back to the back. Then I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it right. The amp's gonna be right here, so I'm gonna run the wire about that much. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook up a right rear speaker, which is the white is positive. This is an amp on the right rear of the trunk. White is positive to the speaker wire, and then blue and black to the negative side of the speaker wire. What I'm going to have to do later on, I'm going to have to cut this purple and blue wire, so you don't get that thumping noise when you drive in or you step on the gas. But that's later. I'm gonna finish everything else, show you everything else. This is a high-low converter right here. High-low converter's got a built-in remote output. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook up the speaker wire that ran from the trunk, from the amplifier. I'm gonna hook it up, the positive, the red one is positive. I'm gonna hook it up to the white and gray. The negative, I'm going to hook it up to white, black, and gray, black. And I'm going to hook up the ground wire to the ground. Ron, which one's the ground? I didn't have enough black wire, so I'm kind of bypassing it. So I'm going to put the ground right here. That's the ground. Now I got a remote right there to the middle one, which that's the remote wire. Oh, the bypass is called KISLOC 2, KISLOC 2. It's got a built-in remote output. And then I'm gonna hook up an RCA jack. A foot and a half is okay. Pause that. I'm gonna hook up an RCA jack, and then I'm gonna hook up to the input of this kicker right here and set the gain low for now, temporary. And I'm gonna use zip tie. Zip tie this part right here so it won't move. At the same time, I'm gonna try to see if I can move it a little bit this way to screw it right there. all plastic. And I should zip tie that right here to this so it don't move. I'll zip tie that. Alright, that's it. Cut this pause right. And that part in. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to cut that purple and black right there, so that way you won't get that noise, that thumping noise. Purple and blue, I'm sorry, not purple and black, it's purple and blue on the top of the amplifier. Put everything back. Right here. Make sure everything is back to an original. Alright, it's good enough. Just put the clip back over here on the on the front. We're gonna notch that part out right there, so we're gonna put up the blue wire out. Loosen that a little bit. Okay. Nope, no. Stop. Tighten that. Watch your ground. Any ground around it. Tight. Okay, now I'm trying to bend that a little bit over here. We kind of make it too close it. It's good enough. It wasn't really close all the way. Hold on. Okay. About like that. Whoa. So tie the fuse. I put an 80 amp fuse right there, and now I'm ready to start and test this